Hello traders, welcome back. Today we'll talk about technical analysis or TA. Technical analysis helps us to examine past and current data or movement of the market, and this aids us to make good prediction in the markets and analyze the markets very well. According to Warren Buffett, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. In order to understand the markets and place good trades, you have to know what TA or the technical analysis is. Well, here we talk about two things when it comes to technical analysis. The first one is history repeats itself. This means the market has a repetitive nature of price data. Thus, what happened last year or last month is likely it will happen today or tomorrow. When making technical analysis, price actions and indicators helps us a lot to make accurate predictions in the market. Well, not very accurate predictions, but it helps a lot. The second key thing traders look into when making technical analysis is the trend. Well, in our previous webinars and videos, we talk about trend lines and channels. If you use platforms like Twitter, I'm sure you've been seeing trends. Trends in your country, trends in your region, and even your city. Well, when it comes to forex trading, we also have trends. What direction is most traders going? And we have three trends. That's the uptrend, the sideways trend, or the downtrend. When doing technical analysis, that's where you get a chance to draw your trend lines and your channels. And the trend lines and channels aids us a lot when we are placing our trades. We get to know the best entry points and the best exit points of our trades. For the technical analysis, we'll go in depth in our upcoming webinars. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to our channel, and remember to stay safe.